kam lelai. Pikalan.
Kanda pi tharai kan ni ka bisa. Kali jauh na kan ni. Ba ka hospital te ka laj kai nang ni.
Binti aswa hang ni hadu nda de por kamu.
Sister, hap siu kat nama?
Ka sarkar kala siulut iki jing separo.
Namar man ka way pa ka way ka minsim ka long ka koridor. Haka singsdang Lahkmen dap arposan senem ka Jowai Polytechnic haka praterik uni ubenai Lahkmen rembui uwaman umontri ka cenat pure puthi uwadawan emlang kam ukong san dawai haro uya ka building thymme gani ka chlem pure hei emlang umontri ka cenat sports and youth affair uwailat inkishla human hiam marban yang chief engineer state sports council u deputy commissioner ka West Giant Hills u Abhinav Kumar Singh u principal ka Jowai Polytechnic strong pilar basayamoy ki principal na githau pure wa pher ki bacha khut singaw bha deilang wa kiwi hawa kelam ongu kamwa kani ka chlem to ka wa isikai he to wa isam kentu wa le bha kamwa menteri rang ba ka jalla le de iran sanu yawro ki wa emsam ongu le mto open bat du ye rukom kre kam ne bha la da verchau hakisan phaus ne madalai kini ki pras nem wa dep to ki wa kusmat bha ka jalla kham tam he to karan san ne benta ki khnru kholot iwam ye mudur kam te kentu wo pai usngau tho ye ida yi kwa ayu le we to le ye te chu kam lai ka ju ka por wa hapan thme ye yi we le kat kam ya ka jung ongu iwa kong san tam le to upan thme wat ye thi i perkhan nei liang ka sarkar de ye le ko upan to pantani hagi wo bon ki benta wa ye to we pure puthi lada ya ki chlem esikai le he to ki tulop ki wasikai wa ki wi kat kam wa cha ka luti da ong Lahkmen Heyato kam ne benta ka laboratory kularo wo pynbiang hapo le banai ne bha man kam wa khaman katwa ne benta ki wi wan kam ong daw ye chong bichare opai bania kani ka chlem esikai om du pen plia ko ye sap tang wa esikai ro ko usngau scam uchani ay ide we wo ngai scam walang ba ichania isngau scam unang kopi we yu yo ye wamang na jrong wo man ki job de wo chimkhia we de le ikit khali ye te kentu haro wom to usngau po hawa kre ya ga won ga kam lada to ga wakhen tam le ne bha em go idor yongka depan kan mo haro ye kalam u ya khamat ka VPP ha Jowai ini wade wada ongu ki bru ka jalla wa kre ha hotel Vivanta wa Marriott kre ki du he kam wakhen tam I kam wo pon khui don hi he to o ini ban jor wo khen kor ye wani kam le ne bha hawa nyau kor daw man ki wa job he im
There is general education, there is technical education, and so on and so forth. And you are part of the technical education. And the student here not only come like the other student, but with your skills. Whatever you learn, you have to show it. And as you know, that we, in the state of Meghalaya, we are still lacking many skills workforce. Whether in private sector or in other sector. So the role of Polytechnic, the role of the ITI, it is very, very important. Because until and unless you have our skills, enhance our skills, it is very difficult to face this generation. So my dear student, I'm very glad that you are here. The state of Meghalaya, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, we have so many things in our hand, and there is ample opportunity for everybody. I have never seen where it is very difficult for the citizen of the state to keep pace with the intervention which our Honorable Chief Minister have tried to give to the youth, tried to give to general population of the state. So you young mind, you have to take advantage of this. You have to take advantage of this. Because now it is not only the government proposed or it is a government driven intervention. Now if you have the skills, if you have the ideas, you can drive the state also. Chief Minister has given the platform for us all. So it is very, very important. We should not only try to blame at the system, because I have never seen in the last 50 odd years that the thing which moved in the last 8 years, the speed. Moreover, as I said, the platform for the youth, the platform for the citizen, it is unimaginable. So I urge upon you to identify what you want to do, what you want to contribute, and what you want to do so that you explore whatever you want to do. As my colleague in the cabinet has mentioned, we have to update ourselves. Update not only in what we are doing. Main thing is our mindset. The mindset. You come here, automobile, costume designing, and so many courses here. You know that there is a limited scope in the government sector, but still you are coming. That's why, from that itself, it shows that you are prepared to challenge the world with the skills which you have. So our mindset, we should prepare to be very dynamic and change our course for the better. And the most important thing that what the government is doing is that, as I said, we are trying to keep love. And we know there is so many deficiencies which in many common institutions that there is deficiencies. But that deficiencies will not hamper our vision to keep the best to the citizen of the state. When I look at the memorandum which you are giving, we know, as our Honorable Minister already mentioned, that we have started engineering college. We have started the university, state university. We have started the medical college. And we will start, we are awaiting for the approval of the architecture body, so that we could start the College of Architecture Urban Planning in Tura. And when we say that, whether in Mauplang College, Science College and Commerce College is, everything is Okay, we have met everything? No. Whether we have met all the shortcoming in Patarkhma? No. Whether we have met all the shortcoming in Rongjeng? No. But we have tried to evolve a mechanism that the basic thing which we need to do, we should do. That's why we are trying every month, we are trying to look where to intervene. And I said that education is very vast. And it is not like sanctioning of one road, sanctioning of one building. When we talk about setting up of institution, it is the recurring expense, and more importantly, it is growing every year. Only St. Anthony's College, the government have paid 23 crore last year only salary. So on and so forth. Only Nong Talang College, last year, the salary component is 4 crore. Shampung College, 2 crore plus. Jaintia Eastern College, Thomas June College. We are trying to cut. We are trying to expand. As I always mention, that till 2018, there are only 6 common colleges. We have Kiang Nongba, we have Sora, we have Bagmara, we have William Nagar, we have Tura, we have College of Teachers Education Rongkhon. That's all. But 2018 till date, we are having Rongjeng Model Degree College. We are having Mauplang Science College, Patharkhma. We are having the Engineering College, the University, we are having the college in Ampati, and we will have a college in Jalabhed and Maushru. These are the interventions which the government to give accessibility to all the students. But the very sad part is, which discourage us as the government, when we see at the enrollment of whether the common college or the common school, it is quite, disheartening. All over the state, the youth, the young mind, the narrative of the people, whether in any social gathering, why the government didn't give a college in Amlarem, don't give a college in Patharkhma, in Western Ribhoy, don't give a college in Rongjeng. We listen. When we give a college, enrollment is very less. You see that all these things should happen within 3 months, because you need that. For the other thing, I have to discuss with my officer at what stage of the recruitment, how many sanction posts are here, because as I have seen, there are some core subjects which you demand that I have to see. Because as I said, I cannot commit more than what I have to do. So, but the most important thing is that you come here, you have told us that this institute not only giving you skills, but it gives you confidence. I'm sure that with that confidence that you will go out, you can pursue your dream. And whatever dream you have, you will be successful. But that dream, it should be with responsibility. With responsibility. And the last point, which I want to say is that don't think that I am doing this small job or this job. Everything you do, there is a dignity in it. We have to inculcate the dignity in labor. It is not that the sweeper on the road, it is inferior to the minister. If they don't sweep the road, who will take care of that? We should inculcate. And last week, some leaders speak in Jowai that, all the people who got work in Marriott and all, they are all for cleaning of toilet. See, don't degrade the dignity of labor. We are very fortunate in Jowai. Very fortunate. Since the town committee days, there are only 2 or 3 non-tribal who are working to clean Jowai. Otherwise, we will have the problem of karmator. Remember that. Why in Shillong those days? Because nobody are willing to clean toilet. Karmator come. And now who will remove karmator? So we are very lucky at least in Jayante Hills, the dignity of laborers. We didn't count that those who are sweep the road is inferior, those who are selling kwai is inferior. We treat everybody, or Jayante people are equal. And we should treat everybody equal. The sense of we should give dignity to everything we do. And once we give a dignity to that, we will become successful. Let's work together. The government is there for you. We will do together. I'm very happy, I said, with local Amle here, the minister, who is the man in hurry. And as I said, don't be hurry. Let us wait for after 28. So you will be there. What is the harm of waiting for some time? I wish a good, successful golden silver jubilee. More importantly, you will be a successful person in the years to come. And I wish that in the golden jubilee of this institute, you will all speak as those alumni who speak in that testimonial that I am somebody because of Jowai Polytechnic. I am somebody because of Jowai Polytechnic. God bless you. Kublai Sijano, Kublai Shibun.